Imagine a device that's more than just a gadget. It's a leap forward in technology. Enter the Humane AI Pin device concept, a groundbreaking innovation aiming to replace your smartphone. This personal assistant device, Screenless Gadget Wonder, operates independently, responds to your voice, touch, and gestures-controlled tech, and even recognizes objects you hold up. Let's dive into what makes this device a potential game changer. Humane has just unveiled their inaugural AI Pin device, a groundbreaking innovation in a smart wearable AI tech fueled by artificial intelligence. This incredible human badge gadget, the Humane AI Pin, is set to revolutionize how we engage with technology. If I discuss a review of the Humane AI Pin and provide you with a demo, such as an unboxing. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you in this video of unboxing through the ins and outs of the Humane AI Pin, its functions, features, and why it's a pioneering device. The Humane AI Pin is a compact square gadget that easily attaches to your clothes using magnets. It's a sleek, straightforward badge offered in black, silver, and gold options. The design takes cues from Apple, since its creators previously worked at Apple, contributing to the development of the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. This is their initial product release, following several previews at events. However, it's not merely a stylish pin, it's a robust AI tool capable of performing numerous tasks similar to your future smartphone, but without a screen. It operates using voice commands and gestures, projecting a laser display onto your hand or any surface. This feature enables you to use your hand as if it were a touch screen. The pin comes with an AI assistant driven by OpenAI GPT-4, the technology used in ChatGPT. This assistant handles various tasks like answering questions, sourcing information, and executing instructions using natural language. So what exactly can you accomplish with the Humane AI Pin?
Where can I find a gift for my wife before I have to leave tomorrow?
Vancouver's Granville Island is a lively shopping district.
Certainly, there are plenty of possibilities. You can use it to listen to music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Adjusting the volume or playback is easy. Just touch it or use voice commands. It features a personal speaker allowing you to listen without headphones. Forming a sound bubble around you, it can create an intimate sound experience or project loudly. Additionally, it allows you to make calls and send texts through voice commands. It operates independently with its cellular connection and offers a plan for unlimited calls, texts, and data. But it goes beyond your typical smartphone. It instantly translates spoken words into any language in real time.
Invisible devices should feel so natural to use that you almost forget about their existence.
Des appareils invisibles devraient sembler si naturels à utiliser. Vous oubliez presque leur existence.
Simply request the desired language for translation, and it'll do so instantly. We're nearing the completion of the final version for shipment. You can also capture photos and videos effortlessly using a simple gesture or voice command, courtesy of its 13-megapixel camera. You can view your photos and videos on the Center website, where all your device data is securely stored. Moreover, the pin assists with personal goals and health by tracking your fitness and diet objectives and providing feedback. By displaying any food on the device, you can receive nutritional information, including calories, ingredients, and whether it aligns with your health plan.
Can I eat this?
Yes, dragon fruits are low in sugar.
Additionally, you can set reminders, jot down notes, and request information simply by speaking to them. This device aims to smoothly blend into your everyday routine, boosting your awareness in the real world. It's not intended to distract or isolate you, but rather to enhance your intelligence and abilities. Moreover, it highly respects your privacy and personal choices. It includes a trust light feature, signaling when the device listens or records, and you can deactivate it whenever needed. The device doesn't store transcripts or audio recordings. Instead, it creates a knowledge base for your use. Additionally, it's equipped with a safety system, preventing the creation of harmful or inappropriate content and enabling you to guide its actions. How does it stand out from other AI gadgets? It's truly pioneering. There's nothing quite like it in the market currently. Yet tech giants like Apple and Meta are developing their own wearable AI devices, such as smart glasses or pendants. Additionally, startups like Rewind and Tab are crafting similar devices capable of recording and analyzing conversations. However, none of these gadgets match the Humane AI Pin's level of functionality, creativity, and reliability. Driven by cutting-edge GPT-4 technology, the Humane AI Pin has garnered significant acclaim from both the public and the tech community, stirring immense anticipation. You can reserve it on the Humane website for $6.99 with a $24 monthly subscription fee. The launch of the Humane AI Pin and deliveries are set to commence in early 2024. This device is compatible with various add-ons, such as a wireless charger, a car mount, and a wristband. Presently, it's exclusively available in the US, but the company intends to expand its sales to other regions in the future. However, I must admit, the device isn't flawless yet. Being a new product, it still has some glitches. At times, it may struggle to accurately interpret voice commands or hand movements, and the laser display might appear unclear or unsteady. Additionally, its AI, powered by GPT-4, can occasionally provide inaccurate or misleading information. Despite these setbacks, its potential seems promising, and I'm eager to witness how seamlessly it integrates into the daily lives of early adopters. But what's your opinion on the Humane AI Pin? Do you see it as a breakthrough or simply a passing trend? Are you inclined to acquire one now or hold off for a potentially superior alternative? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learnify AI for more engaging tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more fantastic videos. If you want to watch Google Maps' revolutionized AI-powered real-time navigation, stay updated with AI news, click on left. If you want to watch best YouTube niche for beginners, how to create viral historical story, shorts, reels, videos using AI, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.